Hi friends, I am Tinash. In this video I would like to show you how to create and use the message box as well as the input box. So we will begin with the message box. I will open my VB window. Here is my VB window. First I will show you how to create very simple message box. First you need to enter your sub, then you need to enter your declaration sample. It should not be space. Message box, just you need to type Msgbox, then within double quotes you need to enter your message. Now I need to enter my test message. So it's test. Then if you are running, you will get the message which you have updated. If you want to input additional information, like it's a VB information, I'll show you one example. VB information. So here you can see information symbol, and if you want to show as a VB critical, also I will show you VB critical. I'll run this one. You can see the critical message symbol over here. And if you want to see the title is nothing but in the message box, the top title, it's the title. Here is your message and the title. If you want to update any titles, you can do that using this comma separated values. The first one is your message and second one is the symbol, which is you can add as a VB information. There is a lot of informations available like VB critical, VB default button, and VB information, VB OK, VB yes no, VB yes cancel, something like that. So I'll show you how to use the yes or no message box. So in order to use the yes or no message box, the same within sub you need to enter anything. I'll update my name, and for that you need to declare your message box. Message v, it should not be default variable, since message box is a default variable, so you cannot give the same name, so you need to give some other names. Now I am giving msgb is equal to message box of, within the open bracket you need to update your details, like first I will update Tinash comma VB yes no. You need to exactly select VB yes no, then the title, that's it. You need to close the bracket. So here what will happen, so here you will see the message box with yes or no buttons. So when the user pressing yes or no, you need to capture the values. In order to capture the values, you need to use the if function. If msgb is equal to VB no, then you need to apply the conditions. First, message box no selected, else yes selected. By this way we can get the user selected values. Like I'll run this code, and if I'm selecting, click on the yes button, I will get the yes selected message box. The same method you can use in the range as well as message, or else anything. Using this if condition, you can do this yes or no message boxes. As well as we have lot of message box informations. VB read, VB retry, ignore, VB default options, option button, something like that. So please use that. And next we are moving to the input box. So I'll show you the input box sample. The same declaration, and first you need to declare anything, declare any name, then only you can add your input box. Now I am adding input box, right? So I'll this to input box. Since the input box is a default system variable, you cannot give the same input box, so I'll add one more word, input box C, then input box of, within the bracket you need to update the information, the users when you are showing any input box, the user should know why we are getting the input box, something like that. So please enter the value of gold price, something like that. You can enter and close the bracket. Now you can see when I am running the macro, I am getting the message box. So I am updating as 43,500. Now I want to update the user entered value into any of the cell. For that, sheet 1 dot range A1 value is equal to input box C. It's my variable. So I'll show you in the range A1. Now we don't have any values, right? So when I'm updating anything, so I'll run this code. So I'll show you step by step. I'll run this code now. So I'm updating as 43,500. Okay. Now you can see your variable is 43,500. It's reflecting as 43,500. You can use the message box to show the values, or else if you want to update or any inputs, you can use this F8. Here you can see the values 43,500 has been updated in the range A1. By this way you can add or do multiple things with the message box and input box. And really thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you guys. Bye bye.